Widmate application ya baino na painimol Google Play Store. Even you search by painimol kain kenol fake all video download an about pop up na you go use mol na try to downloading videos la kain ba hard because all social media platforms video streaming platforms all benim Widmate to be on Google Play Store to make it easy for Android users and iOS users to download videos. So therefore, I've put the link of my blog down in the description of this video, and it contains on my blog it contains the download link for the original Widmate application that we used to use, and you can go and download that original Widmate application there and use it to download videos from whether it's Facebook or on YouTube or TikTok or whatever. It will make it easier for you. Therefore, you can go to my blog mindy675.blogspot.com, or you can just simply go down to the description of this video. Just click the title of this video and the drop down menu for the description will appear. Down there you will find the link to my blog. You click that one, it will direct you straight to the page where the Widmate application is. So you just simply click the download button, and then the Widmate application will redirect you to its original site. From there you can download it into your phone and use it to download videos on whatever platforms that you want to download videos from. You can to download, you simply, after installing the Widmate application in your phone, okay, you can go to whatever social media platforms or sites that you want to download videos from. From there, after clicking the video and watching it, you select the save button there, that arrow sign. You select that save button, and from there it will give a list of different applications that you can save with. So you look for Widmate application and you select Widmate application, and you can select the quality and the media size that you want, and the format that you want, whether you want to download a mp3 file or you want to download the mp4 file, and you can select the quality that suits you. I left the link of the download Widmate application video downloader in the description of this video, so you can go and check it there. And simple, you will download a very quality videos without paying any money, like not like the other applications that ask you for, you know, your Visa card and some sort of a payment processes and like that. This is a free video application that anybody would want to have in their phone to download videos, interesting videos that interest them from their favorite social media sites, or YouTube or Facebook or Instagram or TikTok or whatever. So I've made it easy for you. Most people try to look for it and share it from other devices to them, and you can find it here now on this video's description. You go down to the description and you will see the link to my blog. From there you go and it will redirect you to the download point on the Widmate application where you can download it. Thank you very much for watching. Much love and stay blessed, kids.
Today is a gift, for we don't know what tomorrow might bring. Life is too short for so, and I don't like holding on to little brothers that will keep on taunting me. Just wanna live my moments with the happiness. Inata, amene, anene, amene, wale ukotimbo kipindo, amene. That's what I say, what do I my pay? You should let it go and just forget it all, yo. They say life is a race, and I'm on the chase until I realize I'm still chasing my dreams, yeah. They say life is a race, and I'm on the chase until I realize I'm still chasing my dreams, yeah. Yeah.